In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Fanbase to make more money as a content creator. So it's basically just an app on the App Store. Let me show you. Fanbase right here. Just download this. And basically Fanbase, you're already pre-monetized. So look, you can go settings, customize your profile, and then revenue. This is like you're already pre-monetized. All you need to do is start creating content, and boom, you already get your money. And you see all these creators over here, they probably making like hundreds of dollars a week, thousands of dollars in a month probably, just from like posting normal videos. Like you could post the same video on TikTok, same video on Fanbase, and like make way more money. And yeah, that's basically just it. I just want to show you guys this app. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.